So here's the quiz on the unit on optics, and here's the optics applet. And so, for example, the first question here says, when placing a convex lens with f equals 0.5 and x equals 2.5 and an object at 0.01, the image appears at, then of course here are the answers. And one of these would be correct. Okay, I'm going to push this to the side here so that I can actually open the applet. And there it is. And it takes a moment. Okay, there it is. Okay, now on the side I have open the quiz so I can look at the numbers. So it says place a lens. So I'm going to click on lens and then click in here. And then I move that lens to x equals 2.50. So that is there. And the focal length to 0.5. And you know what? It was already at 0.5. So there we go. And then an object, click on object, click in here, and move the object to x equals 0.01, so to the very left, and then here it says that the image appears at x equals 3.12, and when I look at the list, indeed one of the answers is 3.12, and that's the one I'm going to choose. And then the same thing with the rest. And actually, on this one here, for example, this one goes actually with it. Do you do a computation? And so I'm going to open my calculator and push the calculator in here and put the data on the side, and it says 2.49. So according to the equation that you find in the book, it's 1 divided by 2.49 plus 1 divided by 0.62. Enter, and then I still need to invert that because that's what the equation says. 1 over f is actually that. So I come up with 0.496. That should be, of course, rounded according to significant figures, and 0.496 would then be a rounded 0.50, so that means that this answer here is correct. And then with the third one here, when placing a concave lens, so here I would go back to that applet and plug in these numbers respectively, choose the lens or choose the mirror or what have you. I believe concave, because it says concave lens here, and right now I have a convex lens. I could click on that and actually move the focal point to the other side, and that changes to the concave lens and back if I do that repeatedly. So here is the concave lens. I have to move it, and then I have to make sure that I find the right focal length for that as per the numbers that I give on the quiz.